Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. I am working with our new Spring Things Box of the Month. The stamp I'm using today is the Blooming into Spring, and I do have a few of these left to be sold individually. I do sell some of the items that I have left over from the boxes, and I do have some of the paper pads left, and I'm using that beautiful Spring is Here paper pad. I'm using the Creative Intense Black ink by Honeybee Stamps. I'll have it listed in the description box for you. I do ink up my stamps a few times because I like my images nice and black. Here's a snapshot of all the Copic markers that I used for this card. So I wanted to mention that 6 kits just became available. So once these boxes are sold out, they are sold out for good. So I'll have that link in the description box for you if you wanted to pick up one of these boxes. I wanted to add a little bit of dimension on this card, so I added foam tape to the back of my panel. I have the center cut out with an oval, and then I stamped on the inside, Live Life in Full Bloom, which is one of the sentiments from the set. Now I'm just going to decorate the card with all the stamped images that I have cut and colored. So I wanted to fill in the space a little bit, so I took one of the larger flowers, and now I'm just going to arrange all the other flowers down below, kind of in a wreath sort of fashion. Now, wouldn't it be really cute to make a wreath and then have that bunny peeking inside the wreath, peeking out? That would be super, super cute. So now I'm going to glue down my images. Some will be flat onto the card, and some I will pop up with some foam tape. So I'm going to play a little music while you watch me put this together, and then I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, I'm just finishing up the rest of the card here. I think the trick is to kind of lay out where you want everything before you start gluing it down. So that's what took a little bit long in the process, was trying to figure out where all these pieces go. But in the end, it turns out really, really pretty, and it's a really, really fun process. So I hope you guys like this card. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to grab yourself a box, you can head on over to the shop. If you want a monthly box, choose monthly for your frequency. There'll be a little drop-down menu, and then you'll just choose monthly. So that'll get your box shipped to you every 30 days automatically. And plus you get another 5% off the box. So here I'm just topping off the card with this beautiful mix from Cat Scrappiness. This comes in your kit, and the colors are perfect for spring, and they just twinkle. They're so pretty. So it's a perfect touch for this card. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.